questions.
Okay.
You were a leader of the Me Too movement. You were the very vocal on the Senate Judiciary Committee during Kavanaugh. An unfortunate thing happened on your staff, which is that one of your top aides, you had to resign a few weeks ago, Larry Wallace. And in fact, he's mentioned in the book at one point helping you run the Attorney General Department or the Department of Justice in California in fixing the problem of implicit bias. As somebody who is a leader of the Me Too movement, how did this happen and you didn't know about it? And what did you learn about it, given that it kind of struck close to home?
Sure. First of all, it was a very painful experience to know that that something can happen in one's office of almost 5,000 people, granted, but that I didn't know about it. That being said, I take full responsibility for anything that has happened in my office. I always do, and I always will. The buck stops with But the other point, Jake, is that it really does, to your point, make also a clear point, which is even in the office of someone who has been an advocate for women and women's rights and all people's rights, there's no office that is immune from this kind of behavior. And that's something that we're going to also have to deal with. And it is a sad statement.